our little tiny assembled thing. Now we can show you. Ouch!
Wow, what's that?
So this is the thing. This is where's the thing? The thing right here. Here's the tweezers. There's the thermometer. And here's the something. Here's, I don't know what that is. Here's the mirror for your teeth. And here are two kinds of scissors and tweezers. This is also a thermometer. Or you have to whack your legs and then see your reflexes. There's a vaccine or a shot. Here's my glasses.
It's mine.
No, it's mine.
因為我同你姐姐。
Okay, so that's.
因為我個。
There's actually a second assembling thing. You have to assemble. It's a bigger version, but we're not gonna do that because it's not enough space to put it on the camera. So as you can see it. So bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. Bye.